Hey, tech-savvy friends! Ever wondered about what happens to your Google accounts when they go inactive? Want to learn how to prepare for it and understand what's good, what's bad about Google's inactive accounts feature? We've got you covered. Dive deep into the Google universe with us, and don't forget to smash that like button. Welcome to another great episode, where today we're unraveling the mysteries of Google's inactive accounts. So, what exactly is an inactive Google account? Well, folks, these are the accounts you own but haven't used for quite a while. Google determines this inactivity based on your usage across products like Gmail, Drive, Photos. Prevention is better than cure, they say, and we agree. Preparing for it is definitely a wise move. Google lets you specify what should happen with your data if your account becomes inactive. This can include choosing to delete the data or sharing it with a trusted contact. Why should you even care? Well, it's about data security and privacy. Google's inactive account feature provides a way of either preserving your data or ensuring its deletion, maintaining privacy, and preventing potential misuse. Nothing's perfect in this world, right? There is a chance that your account becomes inactive by accident, perhaps a long vacation without internet or a hospital stay. Suddenly, all your data might be deleted or shared without your immediate knowledge. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever thought about your inactive Google accounts? Or do you know someone who had to face repercussions? Comment down below.